Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to kickstart your analytics career with one of the world's top financial institutions? Then this is one is for you because in today's video, I'm breaking down an amazing job opportunity at Wells Fargo, which is a full-time analytics associate role in Bengaluru. It is ideal for freshers and early career professionals with up to 6 months of experience or 1 year of experience. So grab your notepad because this could be your entry ticket to the world of corporate analytics, and also it is one of the top company of analytics. And also, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for the quarterly job updates, because we bring three important hiring especially on this particular YouTube channel, and turn on notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. So now let's dive in. Let's understand a little bit about the role. The role is of analytics associate, and Wells Fargo, which is hiring for this particular position of analytics associate in Bengaluru under their data and analytics division team. So this is the full-time positions, and the last day to apply this job is 9th of April. So you still have 4 to 5 days of time. So utilize this time in applying and tailoring your resume, and apply as soon as possible because this type of job fills up faster. So now let's directly jump into the roles and responsibilities of this particular role. So yeah, so as you can see, your roles would be somewhere. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, as you can see over here, so your role will be basically involved into using data research to solve business problems, translating customized reports and ad hoc analysis, participating in design, testing, and implementation with tech teams, plus helping troubleshooting production issues, along with supporting monthly forecasting, newsletters, and project logs. Plus, you will also be performing secondary research, intelligent data projects, and also you'll have to collaborate with other teams to deliver impactful insights. Plus, not just that, you also have to assist in process control policies and accuracy of data handlings. So all these are going to be your roles and responsibilities once you join Wells Fargo as analytics associate. So now let's understand the required skill sets for this particular role. As you can see, they have mentioned the required qualifications. So you should have the 6 months of analytics experience. Even if you have done some very good internships, or you have created some projects in analytics and all, then also you are eligible for this particular role. And but these are skills they have mentioned, which is 0 to 6 months of analytic experience, and this may be through the training, internships, or education that I mentioned, right? So, and desired skill sets, I'm sure, they are just mentioned Python and SQL. You must have the Python and SQL. Tableau or Power BI, either of them is fine, along with automation tools. Yeah, automation tools, basics of machine learning, including NLP, OCR, forecasting, classification models, statistics, etc. So all these are kind of responsibilities once you join Wells Fargo. So this is a perfect opportunity if you are just starting out or have an learning mindset with a grasp of analytic tools. Diversity and inclusion at Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is an equal opportunity employer. So it embraces diversity across gender, race, disability, veteran status, and many more. So they also support candidates with disabilities during the recruitment process and ensure an inclusive work environment. So work and culture and of this particular company will be something like you will build a strong customer relationships once you join there. Plus, you will maintain the risk and compliance practice, proactively monitoring escalating issues, adhere to company's ethical and risk guidelines. So these are something like you might have to follow, like kind of SOPs that you have to follow, some kind of protocols once you join it, Wells Fargo. So yeah, and they have also something, there is important notes they have posted, like job might close early as the date mentioned, because if it is filled, so they might close it early as well. That they have clearly mentioned, so apply as soon as possible. And they're also mentioning no third parties are allowed to be present as Wells Fargo. So only you apply to the official site, and official site link we will be mentioning in the description, so do check out that, and no need to go anywhere else. And yeah, that's what this role could be the perfect launch pad in the analytics world, especially with a brand as reputed as Wells Fargo. So whether you are a fresh out of college, finishing an internship, or just starting your learning analytics, don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, help us grow in the community by subscribing to our channel for the notes. For more data, jobs, and career tips. Also drop a like to support this video, and comment below if you have any doubt related to jobs or any other career guidance as well. We'll be more than happy to help you guys. Also, you can subscribe to our other channel, which is Fast Tech, where we are bringing in-depth data analytics series. So you link for the same would be mentioned in description. Do check out that channel as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, forge onwards, data warriors.